Hello everyone, this is me Rishav and welcome to my new podcast. And here we have one more interesting person, so let us talk with him. Hello mister, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good, Rishabh, and thank you for interviewing me, like
Okay,
speaking with me. Yeah,
fantastic. Yeah, thank you for coming in our podcast. Well, thank you so much.
thank
And
you.
so where are you from?
I'm from Chennai, and it's a
Okay.
capital of Tamil Nadu, and
Mm,
which is the southern part of
mm.
India.
Okay,
So,
you're from
what
Chennai.
about you?
Yeah, basically I am from Jharkhand.
Oh, Jharkhand.
Yeah, and if I talk about like what do you do? Like, are you a student or you're doing a job? So what do you do?
I'm not a student. I'm a professional, so I have around 13 years of experience as of now.
Oh my God.
And I have started my career as a medical transcriptionist. I worked as a transcriptionist for 2 years,
Mm.
and then I got into a BPO as a customer support executive.
Okay, BPO,
And
yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah, so and I worked there for a couple of years, and I
Mm-hmm.
got promoted
Mm-hmm.
as a quality specialist.
Okay.
So right now I am working as a quality specialist.
Okay. You are working as a quality specialist. So can you explain like what is quality specialist? Because the term is quite new for me, and I think for our listeners also the term will be quite new. So if you
Sure, sure,
want,
sure.
you can explain a little bit because we don't know about it. What is this?
Sure, I would love to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like quality specialist, in the other name we can call it as quality control,
Mm-hmm.
where I have to check for the quality, like have to listen to the recorded voice calls handled by different country people like UK and US people.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to listen to them and have to check whether they are following the process. And if they are not following the
Okay.
process, I have to give them the feedback.
Means you can say it is like a BPO. For example, those who work executive in a BPO, so you check them that how they are
Correct,
performing.
correct. You are right. You are right.
Okay, fine. Okay, that is called quality specialist.
Yeah, specialist. Yeah.
Mm. So you work in an MNC or you work in like where do you work?
It's MNC and it's also a BPO.
Okay, it's MNC and BPO. Okay, that's
Yeah.
quite fantastic. And one more
Okay.
question just I want to ask regarding MNC and BPO.
Mhm.
Okay, some question I have. So like what are the skills a person should have to get a job in BPO or in MNC? Like what are the most important skills a person should acquire to get a job there?
Okay. So BPO is like nothing but business process outsourcing. Whatever the job they do in other countries, they are just giving that work to the countries where so that they can get the work done with the low cost. So that is the motive behind the BPO.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason why many jobs from UK and US is coming to India because we have manpower here and also have good communication.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason why it's coming here. And there are a lot of fields in BPO. We cannot specify one, but the main thing is communication.
Mm-hmm.
Communication is very very important. Other skills are trainable by the company.
Mm-hmm.
So first thing they check is the communication. The first
Mm-hmm.
round in the company is communication round. So they
Communication.
check how well we are, expressing ourselves.
Mm.
Like the first question will be tell about yourself. So by listening to the tell about yourself itself, they will understand how good are you in, how good is your command over English. So they will
Mm.
find it out.
Okay, fantastic. And like rather than communication skills, any more thing you want to add up that is really required in a job of BP or in MNC or in
No,
any corporate?
yeah, I understand your question. Like
Mm.
in BPO, they have different fields like banking, accounting, law firm, and a lot of work.
Mm.
Even web designing or other things are like we have it in BPO.
Mm.
So depending upon the person, they will put the person in the required team. Like if a person is accountant, they'll put them in the accountant field.
Mm.
So
Mm.
banking field like that.
Okay.
So BPO is like a ocean. Like we have a lot of categories over there.
So means in common, what is the more qualities should we have or like in yeah, as you said, the communication skills is
Yeah,
important.
that's the foremost thing.
Okay,
First
that
and
is the
foremost.
foremost things. Okay, fantastic. And how English plays the role in the MNCs or in BPO? What is the role of English? Is that really
English.
useful or is that
See,
worthless?
English is very important because it's an international language. So wherever you go, you have to be good in English. Otherwise, people will not,
Mm,
respond to you.
okay, for me,
So
you for the example, you want to say that for like having a job in a corporate, you need to have a good English also.
yeah, yeah, of course, because
Mm,
you have to not only you are not going to do only your job. You have
mm,
sometimes you have to communicate with the country people, and
exactly.
sometimes you have to give your presentation. So
Mm,
all the things you can do only through English. Otherwise, it will be very tough.
So as you say that you have 13-year experience
Yeah.
in a job, okay.
Hmm.
So so yeah, that is really good. So
Hmm.
what have you learned in the 13 years that like because I think every profession can teach you something, okay, related to life or related to something. So what the things may mostly have you learned from the corporates or from the jobs?
Yeah, we can learn different things. Like I learned a lot about quality. So what are the basic things to, you know,
Hmm.
uh, to be a quality specialist? I learned many things like Six Sigma,
What were
Yellow
like?
Belt. Yeah, I like Six Sigma, Yellow Belt, Green Belt, and other stuff in quality. There are seven QC tools. They use that QC tools for testing the quality and
Hmm.
presentation skills, how to prepare a PPT, and what else? Excel skills, like how to use MS
Hmm.
Excel, Microsoft Excel, and how to use Word, and how to send
Okay.
an email, and sometimes how to speak with the client, like how to
How to
interact with the
tackle the
client.
people?
Yeah, how to tackle the people and how to interact with them.
Mm.
And since I'm from medical transcription, I learned some. I worked in medical transcription, right? So when I was starting the career,
Mm.
so I know something about the medical terminologies and other
Mm.
stuff. And I know typing. My
Okay.
typing speed is like I used to be 90 words per minute,
Oh
but
my God.
now it has been reduced to 60 because as a transcriptionist, I have to type very fast because I have to listen to the dictated documents. I mean, and then I have to type it and send the document to the doctors.
Oh my God.
So I have to
Yeah.
type really fast. Even we have some of my colleagues, they used to type 100 words per minute also with
Oh my God.
100% accuracy.
Oh. So what is the maximum range of typing? Like what, how much does an average typer will type? Example, IN
Usually, the average thing is basic thing is 35 words per minute, 35 to
35 per minute.
40
Okay.
words per minute with some 80 or 90% accuracy. So
Hmm.
that is what needed for a company.
Okay, means how much company wants that what should be your typing skills?
They need like 40 words per minute. That's
Okay,
it.
they need 40 words per minute. And I
That's it.
think for developing typing skills, okay, 100 words per minute, I think it required a lot of hard works and
Yeah, yeah.
like it required consistency.
Yeah, especially those who are working in chat process, they have to type really fast
Mm,
because at the same time they have to handle two three customers at the same time.
exactly, exactly.
So they have to be very fast in typing. Even though
Mm-hmm.
they have some scripts already stored in the system, they
Mm-hmm.
can copy paste it. But everything they cannot copy paste. They have to sometimes have to type it manually.
Exactly. And like, I think how many interview have you faced like till now in the field of BPO or in MNCs or in
So
corporates?
this is my third company.
Okay, this is your
So
third company. Okay,
I
and
faced many interviews, but this is my third company. Yeah.
okay, this is your third company. Okay, and so like, tell me something about interview. Like, how is the interview? Like, what they check mostly in the people while taking interview. Like, they check communication skills or aptitude of the person, or the way he talks, or the personal branding, or like the personality of the person. So, what mostly they check in the person, like when they're taking the interview.
Yeah, I would say only the communication is not important. Like they will also
Mm.
check the attitude of the person.
Like means, can
And
you elaborate attitude? Like, what kind of attitude? Like, can you
so
little bit
they might give a situation for you,
like?
and like how to say, for example, you want to take a leave,
Mm-hmm.
and and that is at the same time manager is asking you to come to the office.
Oh my God.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you have to explain what are the reason, or how
Mm.
can you explain a manager, because manager will tell that today's the deadline, we have to finish the uh, process today, otherwise there will be a problem for the company.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so at the same time you can have to convince the manager to take a leave. So how would you tackle it? So those kind of questions you would be asked.
Okay.
So you have
Fantastic.
to inform. For example, if it is not an urgent leave, like a
Mm-hmm.
vacation leave, we can postpone it. But
Okay.
if it is an emergency leave, obviously we have to take it, right?
Mm, okay, 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 fine.
So we have to make him understand.
Means so in interview they check about the attitude of the person, that what kind of attitude he or she is having.
Exactly. Yeah.
Or and rather than the attitude and communication skills, any more thing is important, because if I or my listener can go in an interview, so they can work on these skills, because mostly the people think that mostly the communication skills are important. Okay, so they
Yeah.
only
That
work in communication skills, but they go to the interview, okay, when they see the situation, okay, in spite of having communication good communication skills, they are rejected. So they cannot understand what is the actual reason why we are rejected, but the main reason is in their personality, in their attitude, in their way of executing the things. But most of the people say communication skills is everything.
no, 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 no. No, I would say like communication skill is like a petrol. Okay.
Okay.
And the skill which we're having is like a engine of a bike.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
so if you want to drive the engine, definitely you need some fuel, right? So that
Mm,
fuel is communication. But without a fuel, also we cannot ride the
mm,
bike. So both are equally important.
mm,
But if you want to showcase yourself, the communication is needed, because I've seen a lot of people, they are very good, skilled workers.
mm,
But the problem is they are not good in communication. So they were not able to get promoted, and they are staying in the same place for a long
mm.
time.
Okay, okay, fine.
And some people, they are very good in communication, but they are not good in skills.
Mm,
But they were able to like get promoted because they were able to showcase whatever the skills they have, and
mm.
they reached the manager level.
Exactly, exactly. So like one interview I was watching, like I was giving one interview. So there I
Mhm.
got to know, like one question they asked me, that introduce yourself without giving, like without saying your name, address, and your qualifications. So at
Mhm.
that situation, what I will do?
You can tell about your uh, education qualification. You can tell, right?
No, no, they said
Okay.
that without your name, address,
Uh-huh.
and qualifications,
Okay, then only thing you can say is your skills.
skills.
Yeah, skills which is required for that particular process. For example, what is the job
Yeah,
you
you
went
can
for?
just take I didn't went for the job. Like for example, you can take for a BPO.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. So BPO, like whatever the skill they need, like for example, if it is accounting BPO, then definitely you can tell you are good in the accounting, and you have some experience in accounting, you have experience in tally and
Mm.
all those stuff.
Okay,
So
fantastic.
skill is very important. Skill
Mm.
is important. Even if you have very good communication, like 100% communication skills,
Mm.
but you have 0% skill, nobody will hire you.
Okay.
At
Fantastic.
the same time, you have 100% skill
Mm.
and no communication,
Mm.
then they might hire you, but they won't pay you much. They'll
Mm.
pay less.
Means that we have to manage everything, okay, in a well. For example, one thing is not enough, but mostly the people, you will get to hear that communication is only everything, okay, but it is not like that, that we should focus on everything to get a
Correct.
good job and to have a good satisfied job or having a good post.
Correct. Exactly.
Exactly. So like they will tell me about my introduction. So can I include my hobbies and can I include my strength and weaknesses, except when they ask about except my name and these all things?
Yeah, you can tell, but the most important part is skill, because by knowing your hobby, what the company is going to get. Right?
Exactly.
We can say listening to music and watching movies. How the
Okay,
company
if
is going to get money from it, right? Out of
yes.
your answer. So something you can tell. Sometimes you can tell my hobbies are reading.
Readings. And like, can I include my strengths and weaknesses because that can be used for my company? That yeah, this can be strength and this can be weaknesses.
No, you can if they ask, you can tell about that. But if they don't ask, no need to tell about.
Mm. And one more problem, okay, that is that the main thing is that one last question, okay, they asked me that tell me the reason why we should not hire you.
Tell me the reason why.
We should not hire you.
That how can we tell?
Yes,
I'm not
so
sure about that. No,
what?
we can. This kind of question I don't know. Like how to because this is very tricky question.
Yeah, this is very tricky question. And in the
We
lot
should
of
not answer this. Instead, we should say, "Tell me one reason why you don't want to hire." Can ask. You can ask the interview.
mm. And like a lot of interviews, I'm
Sometimes
seeing.
we should not say like we have to fake something during interview. Like we cannot tell all our weaknesses.
Mm.
Because once you tell all your weaknesses, who's going to hire you? First of all,
No,
you
no,
can
like
say,
you can say
for
weaknesses not
example, you can
related
say
to the
weakness.
company.
Yeah, you can say like that.
Yeah, for example, I am not good at playing cricket.
Ah, that you can say.
Yeah,
If you
because
say like I'm weak in communication skills, they will not hire you.
yes, 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 they will not hire you. Okay, means that you need to handle the situation in very good way. Okay, that you don't have to say the bad thing about company and bad thing about yourself.
Sorry. Yeah, exactly.
Yes, are you doing some work or what?
Mhm.
What?
I'm drinking some water. Sorry.
Okay, 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 no problem. No problem. Fine,
I
fine.
think this is enough for the podcast. I guess.
Yeah, yeah, we can carry for more 5 minutes, okay, I think it because it will be very short, I think we should
Okay.
all
So
yes.
usually, what will be the time for the podcast?
What will be the
So
time?
daily how many podcast are you
Yeah, I record,
doing?
yeah, I try to record one podcast. And like
Oh,
now we can no normally talk, okay, so that because this is also recorded what we are talking.
mhm.
Yes. And if I talk about Mr. What is your hobby? So what would you like to say?
My hobbies.
Yes.
Okay. So I like reading.
Oh, oh,
So
wow.
I read a lot, like a lot of books.
Yeah, that is quite interesting. So how many books have you read?
I used to read a lot before. For example, I used to read like 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours per day. But
Mm-hmm.
after that, I stopped for a while.
Why?
I took a break because after marriage, I'm not getting proper time to,
Mm-hmm.
for reading. Like, so now I have a kid also, like 1.5 year old kid with me. So
Mm. Fantastic. So like which kind of books you are mostly interested in?
I like self-help books.
Okay, me too, me too. So like how many books self-help book like which is your best book you would like to recommend me?
I started with Robin Sharma.
Okay, Old Monk like
Yeah,
monk who sold his Ferrari.
not Old Monk. Old
No,
Monk is a
yeah.
liquor.
Yes, no, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, not Old Monk, yeah.
I think you're already having some Old Monk.
No, 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 no. Like I think I heard from somebody that Old Monk sold his. No, it is only Monk. I
Yeah, it
said
should
Old.
be like what is that? The monk who sold his Ferrari.
Yeah, yeah, the monk. Like Robin Sharma is one of the good. Like he's also one of the good author, and I think he wrote his 5 a.m. Club
Yeah,
and
yeah,
like Who Will Cry When You Die.
yeah, exactly. I read all his books.
Okay, all his
Most of
books you
most
read.
most of it. Most of it.
And like, what are the more things like you have read?
I started with Ravin Sharma and started reading some novels,
Like, okay.
Sydney Sheldon novels, and I don't remember the name of the novel. And
Mm-hmm.
I also read some of the famous books, but not completed fully, like
Mm-hmm.
Alchemist,
Oh my God, Alchemist. Yes, I know it is.
Alchemist, and what else? Seven Habits of Highly Effective People.
Okay, Seven Habits of
It's
Highly.
all best books. I search
Mm.
for some of the top
So have you
books, and
completed the book Rich Dad Poor Dad?
yeah, I completed. That's one
Great,
of my
great.
favorite book.
Yeah, my also. So means yeah, so you like reading books, yeah, and reading books is one of the very good habit, okay, which you have developed. So that is really good. And
Correct.
yeah, and what more you do except reading books? Because this is, I think, one of the good habit you have. And what more you do? Like, what more is your hobby except reading books? Like more than reading books?
More than reading books, I used to watch movies, a lot of movies, and only for the purpose of learning English. I
Mm.
started watching movies, but started liking some English movies also.
For okay, so which kind of movies you mostly go for? Like English movies only?
Yeah, mostly, yeah.
Okay, English movie. Yeah, that is quite good. So how you think that movies can help you to learn English?
Definitely, it will help because by looking at the subtitles,
Mm-hmm.
it will help you to improve your vocabulary and the sentence construction and all those stuff.
Okay, okay, fine. So means you think that movies in because I have got a lot of recommendation from a lot of people that yeah you should watch movie, you should watch movie. So once I downloaded the movies, okay, I think I don't remember the name. I downloaded, but when I started like watching that and I was unable to get anything from the movie.
Yeah, it happens because we are not native speakers, right? We are not native listeners also.
Yes. And like
So
I
obviously,
also downloaded it without subtitle. That was
yeah,
my biggest mistake.
yeah. For at starting, we have to use the subtitles,
Hmm.
and later after seeing for some time, like we can take the subtitles out so that we can understand them.
So what more thing you like rather than reading books and watching movies?
Other things, I don't have any other. I
Mm.
go to gym.
Okay, you go to gym. Okay, you are like you also focus. So like most of the good habit. Okay, I think you are very highly affected people, like effective people because you have developed a lot of good habits. Okay,
Okay.
so you hit gym every day.
Yeah, I go to gym.
So in gym, like mostly what you do, like
I do
you.
aerobics. I mean, I do cardio as well as weight training.
Great, great. So how much time you spend in gym?
I spent around like 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Wow, that is quite good because spending in gym like exercise give make you mentally and physically both fit and you can
Correct,
work in an effective way.
correct.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that is really great. Yeah, so yeah, you have a very good hobbies. Okay, what I can observe in you. So you go gym in morning or in night or in
I go in the sorry, afternoon.
you go in afternoon.
Yeah,
Okay, because mostly I seen people going in morning and in evening. Very rare people go in afternoon.
because my shift is like that. That's the reason.
Okay, yeah, yeah. So you have the night shift now.
So I think this is enough for the podcast.
Yeah, okay, okay.
So you never introduced about yourself.
Okay, okay, for fine. So let me give my introduction. Okay, I think at the last time giving
It
my
was like a one-way communication.
yeah, yeah. So let me also give my introduction. My name is Rishabh, and basically I'm from Jharkhand, India. And right now I'm a student. I'm studying. I just completed my 10th, and right now I'm studying in 11th class with commerce.
Are you serious?
What?
I thought
By looking at your voice, I thought you were like not very younger. So you are a very young guy, like maybe 18 or not even
Yeah.
18, right?
No, yeah, not even 18. Yeah, between
Oh my
16,
God.
17.
Wow. So that's great.
Yes.
You have a matured voice.
Yeah, I don't know why the people used to say me this.
That's good. That's good. Actually, you have a professional voice, so you can keep it up.
Yeah, like I used to practice a lot. I used to talk to a lot of people. So,
so. How long you have been talking with people?
yeah, how long? Like from 6 to 7 months between lockdown, I've started. And when I started, I continuously keep on practicing. I never stopped. At least 2 hours, 3 hours, I continuously. Yeah, I have like very rare I used to stop, okay, but continuously because English was really very useful for me. So I started continuously. Now also I speak. Okay, you can see now is night time, okay, and from evening I'm continuously speaking only.
That's really awesome.
Yeah, because it's quite like really useful in my life, not in the aspect of learning English, in the aspect of learning a lot of things, moral, in getting confident, a lot of things. English doesn't help me only. I don't take English as a language. English is a lot of more further than language for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, so you said like daily practice. You just started practicing like 7 months before, right?
Yeah, 6 months
7 months.
you can say. Yeah, 6 to 7 months you can say.
So, how it is improving you? How well are you getting improved? Feel
Yeah,
the
like before
difference?
I was using some of the applications, okay, but now I don't use applications because I have a lot of friends, okay, so from there I used to talk, okay, so they used to talk to me from groups, okay, we I used to talk. So now also I use applications, okay, but before I was using some wrong applications in which the people were not so good. But after of research, I got some good application which was really useful for me. So in
Can
applications.
yeah, can you tell me the name of the?
Yeah, that application is Hello.
Hello. So is it good?
Yeah, yeah, it is good. Before I was using Buddy Talk, it was not so effective.
Okay.
Yeah, so I use Hello. I used to talk to people. Okay, I used to go for video call also, audio call also. Okay, so both things are really quite useful for me.
Okay. So when you started talking, uh,
Yeah, I told you,
you were speaking like this or
no, 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 yeah, no, like I was like you don't believe I was not able to take my call till 5 minutes. Okay,
okay.
only I was knowing about introduction. Like my English was not so good. Okay, like I was understanding. I was because I'm from English medium school. I was understanding and I was able to do anything. Like I can talk also to normal person, but I was not so fluent in my English. But after talking to a lot of people, having a lot of experiences, okay, so I have developed a lot of qualities in myself, not only in English, in every field.
I believe by the time you finish your college, you'll be like very fluent in English. You'll become a master in English if you
Yeah.
go at this pace.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I keep on practicing. Okay, I think now also I think that yeah, just I'm a beginner. I'm just a learner. Okay, and I also keep on practicing.
You should not get satisfied.
Yeah, you should never get satisfied.
That's why
Yeah,
yeah.
yes, exactly. We should be greedy. Okay, that yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Whatever I have less, yeah, we should hope for something more. We should work for something more.
And you also mentioned like you are from Jharkhand, right?
Yeah, I'm from Jharkhand,
So where in Jharkhand?
Ranchi.
Ranchi. I think it's a famous place.
Hmm.
If I'm not wrong.
MS Dhoni.
Yeah, he born in that place.
Yeah,
He
he
was
was
born.
born in Jharkhand. Jharkhand, Ranchi.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are your hobbies, if you don't mind?
Yeah, my hobbies is quite little bit matching to you. First is reading books. I also like reading books, not my academic book. Yeah, I also like reading a academic book. Rather than academic book, I also read self-help book and little bit like motivational book, self-help book, and this all book. So I completed Rich Dad Poor Dad, Attitude is Everything. And my third book is Think and Grow Rich, which I have not completed due to my examination is coming towards very near, so I left. Like I'm not reading now self-help book now. Mostly I'm focusing on my academic book. And my
So
second hobby, yes,
how your parents are allowing you to speak during the night?
yeah. Right now I'm not living in my house, so I have a lot of freedom. Okay, so I
Okay,
keep
where are
on.
you living? Are you
Yeah,
living with your friends?
no, I'm not living with my friends. Okay, my father and my family is quite far away from me, and right now I'm living in room. Okay,
Oh,
I'm doing some classes. Okay, I'm studying. So due
so
to
you're living alone.
No, with I have rented a room. Okay, with my friend, I'm living here.
Okay, so your friend is also interested in speaking English.
No, no, he's not interested.
So you won't say anything like when you're practicing, you won't make fun.
No, he doesn't say. Like yeah,
Oh,
he thinks that yeah, it is useful. He doesn't say anything.
oh, that's great.
Yeah, I
So
think he's quite irritated from me.
yeah, because he'll be sleeping right now, right?
Yes, he's sleeping and my
Since you are
lights are
speaking.
on and I'm
Oh,
very energetic. Lights are on. I'm talking loudly. I think all are sleeping, surrounding me. I cannot.
definitely your friend will get mad.
No, he will not get mad, but he will learn a lot of things from me. I am so damn sure that
Okay,
if he listens to me also, no, I think he will learn a lot of things.
that's really, really
Yes, exactly. So I think we should end our talking now. Okay, I think we have recorded a a long podcast, okay? Because I don't record very long podcast because those who listen us will quite become boring for them. Okay, I try to make it
Yeah.
more and more interesting.
So how will you do? Like,
Yes, yes, I will
we'll
tell you
start with
that.
the post podcast with the people, or how? So we'll have a normal conversation
Yeah,
with.
like before, yeah, I will tell, okay, after the end of the call, okay, I will just try to connect you again and I will tell you everything. So let me conclude, okay, very, very thank you for coming to my
Okay.
podcast, okay, and giving your precious time. Thank you so much, and I would love to connect to you again and again.
Sure, sure.
Yeah,
Take
thank
care.
you so much, okay, we will connect again and soon. Thank you so much for listening us.
Thank you so much.
Yes.